I never knew you could take that and replace this all these years. And man, let me tell you, if I grab this trying to take it out, look how dry and brittle this is. I'm gonna have fun trying to get this out. Take my time and I'll break it all out. Look at that, you even got foam inside. I got a piece. Peeling this bad boy out, man. I may have put this in there years ago. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver. A nice long screwdriver. And just break it all out. So, what do you think the chances of this now coming out? Not that bad, right? They say soap and water. I got WD-40. I got another can that's really a lot better than this. Single-handedly, I'll just push it on out. I got it out. Gonna just clean this all up the best I can with a better can of spray. You're gonna take this, you're gonna fold it in half, and you're gonna slide this into the track. And then you're gonna pull and pull and pull. So I got my hands free now. And my problem is my glasses make this hard for me to see. Always an excuse. And I'm gonna take my time. And an hour later, I got new weather stripping. Look at that bad boy go. The trick on this is you got to use some lubrication so it slides in. When you think you got enough, then cut away, man. Cut away. This is for a 2-car garage. You want to be perfect? Be my guest. Do your best to get a nice cut. You could have did this on the floor, but here I am, perfect, man. Job is well done, and it's in there, beautiful. I got left over for another garage. Now I got everything nice and sealed for my winter. Close that bad boy up, brand new seal. Oh man, all those years, and there I am. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Now I gotta go do another job. I hope you enjoyed this review of the double door sale for the garage.